I don't know about the tofu is healthy or not, because tofu is processing food, right? Processing food. Tofu is processing food. It's like sausage and bacon, those processing food. I feel like that's the same thing. So I don't know about the health, but that tastes good. So I want you guys to try tofu taste. What tastes like? 美味しい。いいだか。いいだか。嬉しい。Hello, angels. Today, Reni is going to review about the tofu. Sometimes American people ask me, what do you eat? Then I said I love tofu because I need the protein. Why I like tofu? Because it's not about health. It's I love taste. But American people says like a tofu no taste. Shut up. Tofu has taste. Of course. You guys love the Japanese food and
みんなありがとうございます。
like everything is great, but like you don't know what Japanese feeling of the flavor of the food. Like we most care of taste of sensitive detail. Actually, tofu has soybean taste. So don't say no taste for the tofu. But I understand how to eat you don't know, so I can explain how to eat.
お客様にご案内申し上げます。
And then where do you gonna buy it? Yeah, I'm buying somewhere like a rare place in Chinatown. It's a Chinese tofu I'm buying because it's fresh. I think so. I don't know. Go to the next street of the main street. They always have local good stuff. They have so many kind of tofu. So this tofu is gonna be just $1.50. Also, this is from own factory, I guess. That's why I thought it's fresh. They have mapo tofu in here. Next time. I love Chinese people because they're so cute and hard worker. They're really good people. Once get know about you, they're gonna treat you like a family. So それでは食べていきましょう。今日買ったのはね、チャイナタウンで I bought it in Chinatown this the tofu. I think the fresh. はい、これはソフト豆腐バルク。何バルクって？調べよう。バルクって何？豆腐バルク。とりあえずまあ豆腐がたくさん入ってるよと。Yeah, lots of tofu in here. Let's open. Inside is like this. It's like cakes. So Japanese, when we eat tofu, we don't really do anything. We can just put in here tofu. ここにこういう風に置いて、このように置いて、そんで just soy sauce かけます。Then eat. That's it. That's all we do. And tofu has silky tofu. Silky tofu is very smooth. And this one is a hard tofu. This one is hard. So you can cook. You can make tofu steak with the soy sauce. It's good. It's inside. なんて書いてくる？読める？ Can you read it? Soybean water, calcium. なんかいろいろ入ってる。Content soy. So what is inside? We don't know. So I don't know about the health. People say like tofu is healthy, but I'm not sure about it. But I love the taste. That's what I eat. So when you eat tofu, don't think, oh no taste. Don't think that. Try to feel with your tongue. Tofu actually has a taste. Feel it. Then you're gonna feel, oh, this is good. Before, maybe some people says no taste for white rice, but white rice has taste now. Most of people know about it. The tofu is the same thing. It tastes good when you feel detail. When you start to feel the taste of soy. That's why I like tofu. Or you can put sesame oil. This we don't do that usual, but I'll try it. Salt with the sesame oil. Try it. I think it's good too. Oh shit. Good. What about vinegar? This is Chinese vinegar. Komezu rice vinegar. Japanese has rice vinegar too, but this is Chinese vinegar and soy sauce. You're gonna mix it. I think it tastes good too. You know, anything. Put a little of those taste flavor, then you can try it. Then feel it. Feel the taste of soy. That is a tofu thing. I can eat a lot because I ate macaroni and cheese before. Hi, next. I was really looking for this one. This one is silky tofu. Most of Chinese people. Something water coming out. Wait. So this is kind of like a dessert tofu. Ooh, this looks good. Oh my god. Can you see it? This looks really good. It's tofu. It's a whole tofu and also it's silky. So it's like smooth and like I can't wait to eat this. And they have a syrup in here. It's a sweet, I think. This is a sugar. Let's taste it. Just this. It's just sugar. I don't want to eat this. I'm gonna use the honey instead. Honey! So you can put on there. It's dessert tofu, kind of like that. Okay, this is a lot. Alright, now honey is here. Maybe you can use a maple syrup as well. Let's try it. Oh, this one looks so good. I was looking for this long time. I was waiting for this for a long time. Tastes really good. I like it. Look, this is kind of like a pudding, but it's tofu. Still need to feel like you don't have to, but like try to feel tofu taste, like a soybean taste. Detail. Let's eat without honey. Let's try hard tofu and silky tofu both without the taste. Be sensitive, okay? This one, the soft tofu, silky tofu is more soybean taste, I feel. Have you tried soy milk? Tastes like that. Tastes like soy milk. But when you put little soy sauce or, you know, anything like oil or anything, don't have to be sweet. You can eat with silky tofu with the soy sauce, you know, just your favor. With the honey, it's very good. I love it. You can put blueberries on. This is pudding. It was good. So, if you want to try tofu, just try it. Put the soy sauce or like just make a steak with the hard tofu. Let's use this one too. Sugar. This is very good. Hi! Tofu review 終わりありがとね You should try tofu 待つねにゃにゃにゃにゃみんな大好き
Really forget about try these.